Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to delete a broadcast message only for yourself on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, locate and tap on your broadcast. A broadcast is a group of contacts that receive the same message from you. Step 3. Now, within your broadcast, select the specific message that you want to delete. Tap and hold on the message until it is highlighted. Step 4. At the top of the screen, you will see a delete icon. Tap on this icon to initiate the deletion process. Step 5. Finally, a pop-up menu will appear with different options. Tap on Delete for Me to remove the selected message from your own device, ensuring that it is deleted only for you. That's it. You have successfully deleted a broadcast message only for yourself on WhatsApp. We hope this guide was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.